Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Fibonacci Adila binti Maharun and my unit number is S51824 and I'm from Financial of Mathematics and my supervisor is Dr. Nuniza Muhammad. And my title for the final year project is Forecasting Stock Market in Germany using Fibonacci and Artificial Neural Network. And for introduction, political events, firm policies, popular financial conditions, commodity fee index and attack is all influence the stock market action from Neo, Chen and Zhao 2007 and 1 2002. Objective of the study is this study is carried out to achieve the objective study as follow, which is to focus the price of the DAX 30 index using artificial neural network, to focus the trend of the historical data of the DAX 30 index using Fibonacci method. As scope of the project, the sample used in this study was the data of daily stock market index in Germany. It included 2,253 observations within the period starting from 8 June 2020 until 4 June 2021. The data obtained from the Germany DAX 30 index report that presented by evenstein.com, the Fibonacci method and artificial neural network were used to predict the stock market for this market. Significance of study. The aim of this study is to predict the stock market of Germany DAX 30 in Germany for the future using the historical chart data. The method that used in this study is the Fibonacci method and artificial neural network. Predicting future trend is important to provide information to so that investor can decide to invest or not on the next day.
For the literature review, from Heider and Hanif 2009, invented a easy delivery artificial neural network model for forecasting inflation, and from Guri et al. 2020, used Fibonacci retracement level to forecast stock price of major US energy businesses as well as energy cryptocurrencies. And from Peter et al. 2014, proposed using a combination of machine learning technique to forecast stock market index. And for methodology, artificial neural networks are known for being adaptable, which means they change as they learn from their ancient training and deliver more information about the world in subsequent runs. Weighting the input string, which is how each node weights the relevance of input data from each of its predecessors in the simplest fundamental learning model. Inputs that help you get the right response are given more weight higher. Fibonacci methodology is the stock was supposed to remove or retrace a percentage of the prior move before reversing according to Fibonacci retracement. Fibonacci retracement can be found at three different levels at 38.2%, 50% and 61.8%. Moving average, stochastic at RSI, stochastic patterns and other technical analysis indicators are frequently utilized with it.
Results and discussion. Analysis of artificial neural network. The DAX 30 daily price data for time period from 8 June 2020 until 4 June 2021 was used in this research that includes 2050 sample of data. Then the sample data was divided into in-sample data set and out-sample data set. And these steps to get the ARIMA model using Minitab statistical software, and the ARIMA model is 313. And then based on the table 4.5, YT4, YT1 was the best input combination from the four different combinations of input. And figure 454, the architecture of the best multi-layer feed-forward neural network model, which one hidden layer, 4 input not C hidden nodes, 1 output not C not transfer function in the hidden layer and linear transfer function in output layer. Analysis of Fibonacci model. Fibonacci retracement plays an important role among investors and retail traders in analyzing the price outcome in the most accurate ways. For downtrend, we can plot the swing high to the swing low, and we got the Fibonacci ratio for the 61.8%, 50% and 38.2%. And then we can see the graph go upward and we can sell the stock there. And for the uptrend, we get we can plot the swing low to the swing high, and we got the same golden ratio value. And then we can see the downtrend and then go uptrend again, and we can sell the stock there. To conclude, both when artificial neural network and Fibonacci has the ability to focus DAX 30 almost accurately. By having these latest analytic tools and technical analysis method, we will be able to find the closest accuracy to detect the most precise future price. Thank you for your attention.